need some potentiometer cleaner on that. So there are some issues. Don't trust the tacho. We've obviously got some issues with the steering angle sensor as well. If I go all the way back, it does go, but it jumps a bit, which probably means it needs cleaning or replacing. Most of the disaster of a dash has been disconnected, and I've taken bits down to go and rebuild it. Obviously, port engine is now a happy bunny. NMEA converters in there, which is what's giving us most of the instruments on here. What I did want to do is try and get this out so I can make a new inlay to take the Axiom. Whether that's going to happen today I don't know, but obviously there's a big pile of gauges that didn't work or do anything there. But I think I am actually going to call it a day because the weather's getting progressively worse, and someone over in Christchurch has the correct depth sounder attachment for this, and they don't want a lot of money for it, so I might go for a drive to Christchurch. But yeah, we're definitely getting there, and we're definitely going to hit our deadline. We can take that off and give it some love with that lovely teak garnish I've got. But yeah, the weather's just grim, so it's not really conducive to doing much in here. I have made this little discovery where these have worn through my cover. I cut some bits of hose up to stop them from doing it again. But yeah, and obviously that engine now more or less starts on demand as well. Needs a little bit of throttle to get it going. That one, however, is still having issues, but that's a lift pump problem. So I'm going to shut up for today. I'm done listening to the world going on. Obviously I've got my nice new seat as well, and we'll come back to this tomorrow, but you know, that is a big part of what I needed to get on top of. So once I can get this panel out, or at least just get that mounted, then we're winning on that front. Anyway, take care, bye.